Hey guys, today we had made 40k in Nifty and BankNifty by only a call option buy, and we'd like to share the logic behind this trade in this video. So without wasting the time, let's look at the chart. First we look into the Nifty chart. Okay, so this position I made at closing time of yesterday. Okay, so why? Let me share the logic behind this. First thing we need to understand the daily sentiment. Okay, so first we'll see what happened in daily. Dodgy engulfing, and next day was a gap down. This day. Okay, so in this end of the session, we had opened the call position. So this is a dodgy engulfing, and next day was a gap down, but gap down almost within the range, and sell was not sustained. So this means there is a buying pressure in this day. Let's analyze further. Let's mark day high and low. This day. Okay. And we should also need to identify the support levels and resistance levels. Okay. So market overall trend is bullish, and so the potential market can move on the upside. Okay, so first we'll draw the support level. So support level, as I said in my previous video, so we will identify V for the support. Okay, it's a high HNS pattern, right? Okay, so we draw a support. So this up to this week's, this green color, this inside green candle, right? Actually a resistance. This green candle is a resistance, and this gap up is the breakout. Okay. If price reacts here, it's a potential that this could be a bullish inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay. We recognize this pattern. Now this is the support level. Okay. Now we should also need to identify the resistance level, right? So resistance could be the all-time high. This complete zone will be a support, and this could be a resistance. We will also look into the shorter time frame. Okay, shorter time frame, H4, 4 hour. Let's see 4 hour what happened. So in 4 hour, you can see, right? So this is the resistance, and this candle is the breakout. Now we'll switch out to the hourly. So in hourly, so this is the support breakout. Support breakout. Okay, and the day closed by retesting this. Okay, so the next day had a gap up. Okay, so the potential buy area should be this level. This is daily support, daily H4 and H1. They all collides. So this could act as a strong support. We're looking at to buy a call option at this level. Okay, so price touched here, and we took the position. Okay, so we took what? We took position. We took Nifty. So this price touch, we have taken the position, and market came and closed here. Okay, and we assume that this could be the second low. If we put it in daily market, potential market low could be this level. This is the day we had entered, right? This day we entered, and we closed the position today. Okay. Now let's try to identify the further resistance level where the potentially price can move. This is the low, and after that we find this is the, from here to here there is no selling, so selling only here, and the potential, the new low happened here. Okay, and it was, the low happened at this level. Okay, so daily support. Okay, daily support, daily H4 and H1. This is the support, strong support. Okay, so our potential target should be first level should be this one. What is the target? It's around 22,526. Our first target should be this level. Okay, we enter here. See, let me switch out to the line chart. It will be easy to understand. Okay, you can see, right? Market forming a high HNS pattern. So Nifty analysis we had identified. Okay, and in my previous video, I was explained that why Nifty can move further to 25,000. There is a potential market can move up to 25,000. Okay, 25,000. So we can try buy. Okay, try buy on dips. Any fall we can buy. Okay, and you can identify this also one of the IHNS pattern. Okay, so we have election this year. So the potential low market can come up to this level. So what is this level? Around 2200. Okay. So there is a high chance. So we should trade more careful. When we see bearish sentiment, we'll try to go sell, but not exceeding this level. Okay, this means this crossing this level, we should not go sell. Up to from here, wherever somewhere top, and we can try sell up to this level when bearish trend forms. But not, I would suggest not to go sell after crossing this price. So this could be a trap. See, as per our analysis, market likely to make a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this could be the daily support, huge big gap up. So I booked my profit when market opens. You can see I just closed my position. Let me open the order book. See, I closed my position and again I taken my position at around 330, close to 330. Okay, at the price of 226, 200 quantity. Again I just added 200 quantity. So total 400 quantity open at the closing time, because today is a expiry, right? So today market will move very volatile. So we don't want to take a tension on our head during the volatile session, and we'll see price where it close, and based on we'll take a position. Okay, so we patiently waited till market to have a session till T325, and then we taken a position at around 400 quantity around 320. Okay, unrealized profit I mean 9k, and realized profit in 34k, and total profit I got 43k at the moment I'm holding. Okay, now so in my position you can see I had also taken a bank nifty call position. Okay, Nifty and Bank Nifty almost sync each other. If Nifty bullish and Bank Nifty also bullish, and Bank Nifty bullish, Nifty also most of the time bullish. In this few days, right? So market was controlled by only HDFC Bank. Let me switch out to the HDFC. See, market, all over Nifty and Bank Nifty both are controlled by HDFC. Okay. Actually, market is bit weak. Okay. But only controlled by, because this is the high weightage stock in index. So market, whole bullish market was controlled by HDFC. Okay, so it's not letting price to go down. Okay, now we'll look into the Bank Nifty. So trend is bullish, right? Trend is uptrend, but it looks like it making a channel. I'm assuming it's making a channel. Now, second thing, we need to see the previous day, right? So because we had taken a position at in this day, what could be the potential movement? Okay, so first thing, we'll try to mark the level. If you put the day high and low, well, let me put the day high and low. Okay, first thing, see, before day it is a bullish, right? Gap up. You can see this is gap up and bullish, right? This candle. Okay. And next day was a gap down and control within the previous day range. So in price action, as per the price action, when we find bias or control within the range, so next day potential will be a gap down. Okay. And you can see this day was gap down. Gap down, but we need to identify the support level to take a position. But at the moment, we likely to know that this day could be the gap down reason because the previous 2 green candle was inside the same range. Okay, so it means buyers were controlled by sellers. So gap down happened. Okay, on engulfed the previous day range. Okay, so engulfed, but we need more important. What we need to look here is the close price. Okay, you can see the most important thing is the close price, and close price is here, right? Okay, you can see this is the close and previous day close, this is the close, and close was higher than the previous day, so it means bull or taken control here. So, okay, the solid control here. Okay, now we know this day because of inside candle, this day is gap down. Okay, and bulls taken a control and top shadow is very less potential. Today could be the gap up. Okay, and gap up, and my target would be here. Tomorrow potential gap up is there. So I was taken a position at 3:30 around close to the session of trading hours. I taken a buy position. Okay. Before that, we need to understand the shorter time frame sentiment. Let me switch out to the 4-hour time frame. So in 4-hour, you can see, let me line chart, let me see, sorry, in 4-hour you can see, right? So this is the resistance and this is the breakout, right? Breakout and close. Only 6 hours, we are not the 24 hours market. So the potential market in overnight, it will make a new high. Okay, and that's the reason we had taken a long position here and market opened here and we had closed our position. Okay, so this is the logic behind this trade. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Okay, thank you so much.